Good morning. We're in the jungle for our Thailand accommodations. And they didn't say this was gonna be the jungle. So we're still dealing with that. Last night our room was freshly painted and then they like tried to stick us in there. Who? No. Sir, come change his room like ASAP, please. Thank you. We don't have any more rooms. The devil is a liar. We're not gonna sleep in here. So yeah, we got a new room, but it's way further back through the jungle and stuff like that. So now we're gonna go off to the elephant sanctuary and do that and be on schedule. So today's agenda is tentatively elephant sanctuary, the tiger
and night market
thing, and markets. Oh yeah. I'm still tired. I'm sorry. We got in really late and up really, and we're up really early, so the usual. But see y'all there. We're gonna grab a tut-tut there because we changed our reservation from it being tomorrow so Friday to today, and so they couldn't come pick us up from the hotel. So we're just gonna meet them there. It gives us more liberty either way it goes. So yeah. Pushing on, getting a partial tan because ting. But yeah, Amelia dragged me out the bed. I was just about to get into a deep nasty nap.
You were already in a nasty nap.
I wasn't there because she got me out the room, so clearly I wasn't there. Because she would have been ignored with the quickness. Listen, y'all. Not even 2 minutes after I said my comment, Machiavelli comes on. The DJ must know I'm out here and on the scene. Now I gotta fuck shit up. Let me go get a drink. Hey, why you can't float?
Because I'm afraid of water.
Why is you afraid of water? You was born on an island.
And I gotta wait on the island.
Oh boy, you need to learn how to float.
No.
At least doggy paddle.
I know how to doggy
Go
paddle.
doggy paddle and see how cute you can make a doggy paddle. You gonna be hella cute. An absolute fail. I'm out here. I ain't do not a single push-up or nothing. Just good all hanging out to snap a picture for this girl. And she won't even commit to the picture. The fail. The fuckery. I gotta bleep that out, but just know that's what it is. I So yeah, I'll keep y'all posted. Whatever we do, it'll be like B-roll,
Yeah.
because I don't really have the energy to talk. If something happened, I'll find it, but we'll see. Ping pong show, so she ain't never seen people pussy pop on a handstand, so first time for everything, I guess.
Interesting. And fun.
Her face the whole time was like,
Not the whole time, because certain things was like,
and then she's like,
okay.
You could do better.
Yeah.
Look at you.
Right.
All out of your feelings. We're gonna go walk the strip some more and see what else is out here. Made it back to our place ish. We still gotta walk through the jungle to get to it, but yeah, I mean, today was good, post nap and everything. I still would enjoy going back to sleep, so just gonna put that out there. But yeah, after that massage,
You're done. That was good.
baby, I was ready to take on the world.
Brand new person.
I could have go win and got the rent money, all of it.
At the ping pong show.
The rent money, cause them motherfuckers wouldn't shake nothing. They wouldn't make no money in Atlanta. She wasn't even putting it. Nope. You gotta watch it. You gotta go to the show on your own.
Right.
All right, y'all. So we're gonna sign out today here. More action tomorrow. Yeah. All right. Good morning, home team. So, third day, one of those in Thailand. I think it's the second full day, like second morning waking up in Thailand. We'll say that. About to go see Big Buddha, and then we're gonna come back and pack, and then take the ferry to PP Island or Fifi Island, Fifi, it may be Fifi, PHI Island, for a day trip over there, and then come back over to here. We just want to go over there and see some stuff really quickly, but rather than rush, take like 8 hours, we just want to spend the whole day over there. Yeah, so this morning I'm going to I need to moisturize my hair. I was supposed to do it yesterday, but I was just dog shit tired, so it wasn't gonna happen. So what I'm gonna do, put some water, coconut oil, and then throw some castor oil just to seal it all in, and then we should be good to go. So I'm gonna time-lapse me doing that really quickly in front of y'all, and we can all go and be great. Yeah. Amelia's already ready, so she already went to ask the people at the front desk about the ferry situation because we Googled it and it made sense in Google, but after talking to a few people here, just want to confirm what we Googled was the same thing. So, you know, it don't hurt. Trust but verify. Viva! 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 Alright, a little vlogging with Big Buddha in the background. Not as many steps as Big Buddha in Hong Kong. But still, you can get a little bit closer to this one. I don't know if you can see. Like the other one, there's like stairs and you really can't get that close to it. But the lighting better up there. But so yeah, so we're gonna chill out here for a little bit, kind of just take in the sight. Probably not for an hour. We're gonna find that guy. We told him it'd take us about an hour, but that's because we thought it was more steps than it was, and it really was like 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 sets of 10 to 12 steps each. So yeah, know that. Also know that if you come out here with your skin showing and stuff, you don't have to buy a shirt. They give you like a scarf to put over, which is way better than when I had to do for the Grand Palace thing in Bangkok, and they made me buy a shirt. But that's okay. Namaste. Kept it cute and just brought the shirt so I could go see this palace. But yeah, one more look for y'all.
Doing, sir?
Living the dream.
A good one, huh?
Now only that sun would just move a little bit more.
What you got in your hand?
We'd be popping. This thing, it says gelato, strawberry gelato, but all I taste is strawberry, no gelato. Lord, this might have been a smoothie. Add some whey protein and we had breakfast. I forgot to eat breakfast this morning, y'all. So walking up there, I felt like my blood sugar had been dropped a little too low. So I got a little treat.